Guys, welcome to Freshers Junction Blog. Freshers Junction Blog gives information about latest walk-ins and latest jobs and how to solve aptitude problems and then technical interview questions and HR questions. Now our topic is tricks and tips to solve aptitude problems on ages within 30 seconds. If your question is how to solve aptitude problems on ages, then it is the right place to get solutions to your question. Guys, formulas required for solving aptitude problems on ages. There is no formula required for solving the aptitude problems on ages. Just you have imagination and basic mathematical knowledge, it is enough to solve aptitude problems on ages. Now, Freshers Junction Blog explain aptitude problems on ages with some example questions to better understand. If you are solving some example questions, you can get the clear idea and your practice section is improving. Now let's take some example questions. The first example question is Venkat's age after 10 years will be 6 times his age 5 years back. What is the present age of Venkat? You can read question once again. Venkat's age after 10 years will be 6 times his age 5 years back. What is the present age of Venkat? Now let's take Venkat's present age as X. Then the Venkat age after 10 years, that is X plus 10. And then Venkat age 5 years back is X minus 5. Now as per question, Venkat's age after 10 years will be 6 times his age 5 years back. So after 10 years the age is X plus 10 is equal to 6 times his age 5 years back. So from this you can get the value of X as 8. So the present age of Venkat is 8 years. Now the second example question is the ratio of Geeta and Nandita ages is 2:5. After 8 years, their ages in the ratio of 1:2. Find the difference in their present ages. Guys, you can read the question once again. The ratio of Geeta and Nandita is 2:5. After 8 years, their ages in the ratio of 1:2. Find the difference in their present ages. Let's take Geeta present age as 2x because here 2:5 ratio. So Geeta age is 2x and Nandita present age is 5x. After 8 years, that means 2x plus 8 and 5x plus 8. As per question, after 8 years their ratio is 1:2. So 2x plus 8, that is Geeta age, divided by 5x plus 8, that is Nandita age, is equal to 1/2. Now solving this equation, you can get the x value as 8. Now the Geeta present age is 2x, that is 2 into 8 equal to 16. And Nandita present age is 5x. Here we are taking as 5x. So 5 into 8 equal to 40. In the question, the difference in the present ages. So the difference in the present ages is 40 minus 16, that equal to 24. The third example question is Dhoni is younger than Sehwag by 6 years. If the ratio of their ages is 7:10, find the age of Dhoni. Once again, question is Dhoni is younger than Sehwag by 6 years. If the ratio of their ages is 7:10, find the age of Dhoni. Let's take Sehwag age is X. Then the Dhoni age is X minus 6 because Dhoni is younger than Sehwag by 6 years. So the Dhoni age is X minus 6. Now as per question, their ratio is 7:10. So Sehwag age is X. Dhoni age is X minus 6. So X minus 6 divided by X equal to 7/10. Their ratio 7/10. From here you can get the value of X. X equal to 20. here we are taking x as suffragette. So the suffragette is 20. But in the question he is asking about Dhoni age, not about suffragette. So now the Dhoni age is x minus 6. That means x value is 20. So 20 minus 6 equal to 14. Now the fourth example question is, the sum of ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years each is 50 years. Find out the age of youngest child. Guys, you can read question once again. The sum of ages of 5 children born at the interval of 3 years each is 50 years. Find out the age of youngest child. For simplicity, you can get this solution in easiest way. Take the youngest child age as x. If you are taking youngest child age as x, then the remaining 4 children ages x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12. Because 5 children born at the interval of 3 years each. So the ages are x plus 3, x plus 6, x plus 9 and x plus 12. As per question, the sum of their ages is 50 years. So their ages sum equal to 50 years. By solving this equation, we can get the x value as 4. So the youngest child age is x, because here we are taking x as youngest child age. The fifth example question is, a father said his son, I was as old as you are at present at the time of your birth. If the father age is 38, the son age 5 years back was. This question is little bit confused, so you can read question thoroughly once again. A father said to his son, I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth. If the father age is 38 now, the son age 5 years back was. Here the logic is, I was as old as you are at the present at the time of your birth is, father age is twice the son age. You can understand this logic clearly. The father age is twice the son age. Now in the question, father age is given as 38. So now the son age is 38 by 2, that equals 19. So son present age is 19. Don't select the answer which has 19, because the question is the son age 5 years back was. Here the question is son age 5 years back. So when you get the x value 19, you can blindly don't put as 19 is the correct answer. You can see the question once again. The son age 5 years back was. So the son age 5 years back was 19 minus 5, that equal to 14. Guys, like this you can solve any type of aptitude problems on ages within 30 seconds. But you should practice more and more on aptitude questions. More practice can give more result. Guys, if you want this explanation in text format, click on the link which we provide in the below description. You can find out the one link in the below description like goo.gl. You can click on that if you want to see this in text format. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe us. Your encourage gives us more confidence. So we make more videos on aptitudes, more methods and shortcut methods. Thank you for watching.